So today is a very, very special day. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you already know what's happening today. Or if you've actually read the title. As you all already may know, President Obama is in India right now. Today is the 1st of December and he's holding a town hall with some young leaders who have done amazing things in their fields, and as exciting as I can't talk, and as unbelievable it is, I got invited to this event through YouTube as 4 of the creators who were chosen by YouTube and the Obama Foundation to be there at the event. I am ready. So the dress code, they said, wasn't absolutely formal. They told us to leave our suits and ties at home and wear whatever we feel comfortable in. So I chose something Indian. Of course, this is stolen from my mom's cupboard and I think it looks really nice and smart. Excited. So you guys must be wondering how me, Sejal, random YouTuber, got this opportunity. So I'll tell you how it exactly happened. I was sitting randomly on some day and I get a text from my point of contact at YouTube saying that, are you free on the 1st of December? And I said, no, actually I'm going to be in Bangalore visiting my cousins, what's up? And she said, we have a special opportunity for you. You're meeting President Obama. And my reaction was literally, what? Wow! And that's how it happened. And they told me that they've chosen 4 creators for this and I'm gonna see whoever is going to be there. I don't really know who's going to be there, I'm not sure. The town hall is primarily about the Obama Foundation getting together a bunch of young people who've done some good work in their communities and motivating them to keep doing more. And I've read up about all the work that Obama Foundation has done and they've done some really inspiring things all over the world. In fact, they've held the town hall in other countries as well, so I'm so glad they're in India now, and I'm really excited to see what happens, and I'm really excited to meet anybody and everybody who comes for this event because I'm sure they have really inspiring stories to tell. So let's go.
Obama Foundation के town hall ठीक, thank you.
Look who I found, guys! Okay,
Hello.
give a little introduction. For any of you, I'm sure everybody knows you.
Nobody knows me. Trust me.
She is the star of Secret Superstar, Dangal. And how do you feel at the event? And how do you feel in general? I'm like, I don't know.
Very good. I mean, fortunately, the film has gotten such amazing reviews.
And how do you feel in Delhi, in my city? Do you like it?
It's
So you're like a vegetarian. What? 1 second. Excuse me. I have to make you try Golgappas and then change your mind.
I did.
Sejal Kumar, got it? Great.
And there's a reserved seat for you up front.
Yeah. Awesome. Guys, we made it to the venue. I had some trouble getting my camera and Dikta's here.
Hey, oh my god, we're so excited.
Acha, tell them about this kind of seats we have firstly.
So, it doesn't get any better than this. Just turn the camera around. It doesn't get any better than this.
We're on the front row and Obama is going to be right there. Diksha Wali is also here. We're waiting on Mr. BB Ki Vines as well.
But what, Loki, I'm just going to say it on camera. I think after watching a few of his latest videos, I might have a slight crush on Humansh.
Look who's here.
Hello, what's up? Hi there.
Your attire is quite like on point branding.
Really, the thing is, see, the issue is people recognize me if I wear the hat. If I don't wear the hat, nobody knows who I am.
President Obama will be here in a bit and the program will begin. He'll make some remarks and then you can be taking questions.
It's gonna start.
It is my most humble pleasure to introduce you to the man who we have all come to respect and admire. For some of us, he's represented the onset of a more equal and just United States of America. Please join me in welcoming President Barack Obama.
I've never heard such a quiet, orderly group. We'll be not feeling so obliged to be so formal. Yeah, there you go. So let me see if I can get this right. Bahut? Dhanyavad? Hello to everybody who is watching on Obama.org. It is wonderful to be back in India and back in Delhi. And I'm not just lending my name to the foundation, I'm going to be an active part of it. This year I've already met with young people like yourselves in Germany, in Indonesia, in Brazil, and then we had our first ever Obama Foundation Summit in Chicago. And I don't want to speak too long because I want to spend most of our time on questions, population of young people in the world. And that's a lot, so we might as well start big.
It's Preeti Khanna. I'm a Delhi University student. I'm a PhD scholar and I'm currently working on nutrition and mental health.
I was a beggar. I was rejected by all the sections.
As a startup, you can't even qualify to tender. So what can the Obama Foundation do to help companies and startups working in...
Right now so that I can just see who it is that I should...
I think it's...
You sure? Okay, you get your question. Go ahead. Because there's been a remarkable group and I've enjoyed the conversation.
It's been an honor for all of us to actually have this opportunity to ask you questions. So thank you so much, President Obama.
Thank you, everybody. Good luck.
Event is done. It's absolute chaos at the moment. I can't believe this just happened. I can touch the stage where he was right now, and we were so close to asking a question. He almost picked us, but it didn't happen. But the whole experience was great. So we came for dinner. We have Mr. Arey, you're back. नाक से क्या बोलना है? इस बार नाक से क्या बोलना है? बोल दे गुड़गांव.
Last time it doesn't suck. Gurgaon is good. People are good. Look at Sejal. She's so good. Out of focus जा रहा है बात. तो सेजल ने अभी चिकन खाया है, हमने नाचोस खाए हैं, हमने फ्राइज खाए हैं और हमने शेक पिया है.
तुमने ओरियो शेक पिया है?
ओरियो शेक पिया है.
Because भुवन एक्चुअली 16 साल का है. ये फेक करता है कि ये
23-24 साल का है, लेकिन मैं हूँ 17 साल का.
या
मेरे आधार पे आधार लिंक किया तूने?
नहीं, मैं कर दूंगी. भुवन के 5 मिलियन सब्सक्राइबर्स हो गए. That's so cool, dude. I'm really happy for you. इसका tour, the first time I'm being nice to you, okay? This is the last time also.
वैसे बहुत रूड है मेरे साथ ये, लेकिन
तू ऐसा रूड नहीं है, तू मेरी बहुत लीडर रहता है because of Gurgaon. Shut up.
नहीं, but सेजल is a sweet girl और इसकी vlog editing मुझे बहुत पसंद है. मैं इतना चिढ़ता हूँ इससे क्योंकि ये दुनिया घूमती रहती है और हम दिल्ली में लोधी गार्डन पालिका बाजार जाते रहते हैं हम. अब मुझे प्रातः का बाय बोलना है बस. It's okay. I know you really like me. Hey guys. Bhuvan Mom,
it's fine.
Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to Sejal's channel.
अभी भी 5 मिनट होने के बाद भी.
Subscribe to Sejal's channel.
मेरा बेटा किसके पास मिलने गया था?
Obama.
Oh, मेरा बेटा.
It was so incredible to be at that event and sit this close from Obama, and I think I learned a lot today. All in all, I think it was one of the best days of my entire life. Thank you, YouTube, for sending me for this event. I'm so happy that I was there. And I'm gonna end the vlog here. If you guys found this vlog interesting or just fun, just go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. Go give it a thumbs up, comment below about what your goals are, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.